A blood sugar log helps patients track their blood sugar. Depending on the creator of the template, the content and how it looks may vary. However, ours, which is free, downloadable, editable, and printable, comes with the following: basic patient information, date, time of the day, meal times, more specifically before a mealtime and 2 hours after a mealtime, additional columns in case you want to track your blood sugar after physical activities or another time within the day, and space for notes in case you want to figure out what activity or food is a cause of your increase in blood sugar. Though anyone can track their blood sugar, physicians only request the majority of the patients who are diagnosed with the following: type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and gestational diabetes. Many medical practitioners can utilize this template, such as family doctors, registered dietitians, ophthalmologists, pharmacists, and more. To use our free blood sugar log, follow these steps. Download our blood pressure log from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, consult with a doctor. Before taking initiative and checking one's blood sugar, it's best that one undergoes a blood test or consult with a physician when one is feeling symptoms of high or low blood sugar. Next, measure blood sugar. Before giving the patient a PDF copy of the blood sugar log, ensure that they have the equipment and knowledge to properly take their blood sugar. They must have a blood glucose meter, a test strip, and a lancing device or a continuous glucose monitor to check their blood sugar during the times indicated on the template. You may also request that they check their blood sugar beyond mealtime, such as before and after they exercise. Next, write down the results. After every indicated time, patients are highly encouraged to write down the results in the box provided immediately. They may also note down changes in the notes part of the table. Lastly, repeat. Steps 3 and 4 must be repeated daily until the end date provided. Afterwards, the practitioner may set up an appointment to interpret the results and formulate a treatment plan moving forward if needed. Here is a sample of our blood sugar log, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our blood sugar log, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.